Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid and today I will brief you that how you can track changes and comments in your Word document. This is the best tool by which you can detect the changes. For example, you work on a document and that document is saved into your computer, and some your buddy or friend open that document and make some changes, or he delete from that document. So you can recover that data. You can detect the changes and you can detect the the delete portion. So just follow me. Firstly, you need to go review, and here you enable that option, track changes, right? Track changes. And whenever I add something, it will be underlined that these things are newly added, right? And if I add remove something, it will be cut by line. So, and delete something from here, and add something here. Now these are the you know these are the changes, and you can accept these changes as well, and you can reject these changes as well. And from here, if I accept and move to next, you can accept one by one all the changes, and if you want to accept all the changes, then you will click on here, accept all the changes. And if you want to one by one, yes, he will accept the first and then move to another one. And from here as well, you can reject one by one and reject all the changes at once. And if you want to check that which portion is deleted, and you can go here, which portion is deleted or which portion is added. So you just need to go show markup balloons, show the, so he will tell you that at first time you deleted footer, right? And then you deleted that u. So by this you can detect the delete portion. And as well, you can add comment, select that portion in which you want to add a comment. Video, I will write MyETutorial, and I will just escape, and by this I can add a comment, right? And I can delete the comment one by one, and delete all the comments as once. So this is the best tool, this is the best way by which you can track the changes, and you can detect the data which is deleted from your document. And these tools are beneficial when you are working on joint adventures, on joint documents. For example, you guys, if you are the student of university, and in group, you are working in group form, so you can use these tools, and these are very beneficial. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.